Today we have a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is Cocky Driver Gets Much Needed Reality Check.
Please conduct a traffic stop after spotting a driver fail to stop at a red light.
Hello.
Hi.
Deputy Road and Lake County Sheriff's Office. Oh, hello.
Hi. No, he's sweet.
Okay.
Sorry.
The reason I'm stopping you is when you turned on a 441 back there, you kind of just like rolled the red light past the bar and on the 441.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay. You got your driver's license with you?
Yeah. Sorry. He totally
Is it
he's
just
a dog, yeah.
okay? Okay, I was wondering if there was somebody else back here.
Yeah, no, it's just him. I'm sorry, I was paying attention to him a little bit.
That's fine. Do you still live in St. Petersburg?
Yes.
Where are you coming from?
We're from Leesburg. Yeah.
Okay.
That's where we just picked him up.
Okay. Do you have insurance and registration in there as well?
On my phone.
That's fine.
Okay. I can't show you my insurance card until I get it up on here.
Oh, it's totally dead. Do you have your registration?
I don't know if I keep it in the car. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
If you don't keep the registration in the car, where do you keep it?
No, I just got tags recently, so probably not.
Okay. All right, give me just a second, all right?
Yeah.
All right. So, a little bit worried about you. Have you been drinking tonight?
No.
Not at all?
No.
How old are those empty cans in that box?
Old. There's a lot of trash. Yeah, I'm sorry. If you look in the back, it's the same way.
Okay. Like when are those from?
2 weeks ago at the beach when it was nice.
Okay. Have you had anything to drink
No.
tonight? Last night?
No.
Okay.
Did I give you a reason to? We just picked up Zoro from her mom's house.
Yeah.
So did I give you a reason to think I was drinking?
Yeah, your eyes, I can see like every vein in your eyes. They're totally bloodshot. They're glassy. Your pupils are dilated. Your driving pattern's a little bit strange. Yeah. Like driving under the speed limit, kind of weaving within your lane. You rolled through the red light. That's why I stopped you.
Did you hear what he said? Driving under the speed limit. A lot of people don't know, but you could get a ticket for driving too slow too. You know, we have a speed limit, yes. You know, just like you get a ticket for going too fast, you can get a ticket for going too slow. You know, that's why a lot of times when people are broken down or something like that and they have to go a little slower or whatever, they'll put their hazards on, like just to let other people know that okay, something is going on. But yeah, if it's 65 miles per hour and you sitting around going 45 miles an hour, yeah, you need to pick it up a little bit. All right.
It was a yield.
No, it's a red light.
I thought that's what you said.
No, it was a red light right there at 441 and 44.
It's a red light. We just picked up Zora from her mom's house. And then
Okay.
I don't really know what gave you the.
So if I get a portable breath test out of my car right now and I give it to you, just to check to make sure you're safe to drive, it's going to show zeros across the board, 100%.
Well, no, you have no reason to breath test me.
Okay. But if you haven't drank anything, then shouldn't be concerned, right?
No, but I didn't give you a reason to think that.
Well, I just explained my reasons to you.
Because my eyes are bloodshot.
Uh-huh.
I have a lot of makeup on.
In your eyes?
But where does my house?
Man, she put makeup in her eyeballs.
House is right here in Leesburg.
Okay.
It's 21 Avenue.
Okay.
That's all we're.
Have you been drinking?
No.
Yeah, just be a
Not at all.
passenger.
So
I'm trying to hear
I
you.
give you the portable breath test. It's going to come back all zeros.
Okay.
So
Yeah, good choice. Just zip it. All right, just sit back and be a passenger. If I give you a breath test, it should pull off. Yeah, I'm gonna just zip it. All right, yeah, that's yeah. You just do that because we not even talking to you.
okay.
It's 21 Avenue.
Okay.
That's all we're.
Have you been drinking?
No.
Look at this.
Nothing at all.
No.
So if I do the same thing and I give you the portable breath test, it's going to come back all zeros.
Okay.
So here's
Yeah,
the thing.
just sit
I
back.
asked you guys this question, and a sober person that's hold on, listen. A sober person that's had absolutely nothing to drink It's gonna be like, yeah, absolutely, I'm gonna blow into it. It's gonna go blow zeros. We're gonna be good, and we're going home.
I just feel like I didn't give you a reason to.
And 100%.
We just picked her dog up from her mom's house, and like we literally just left there.
No,
Okay.
I'm gonna be 100% honest. Yes, I have had a couple. I had 4 McUltras.
Okay, and you're not driving, so that's fine.
I've
That's
had
cool.
4 McUltras, probably all.
But I'm worried about you because you're driving.
There was
Sure.
nothing wrong with what I was doing.
No drinks whatsoever.
Nope.
Okay. Can I check your eyes?
Yeah.
Like.
But you have no reason
Can
to.
I have you come out and do field sobriety exercises to make sure you're safe to
Can
drive?
you tell me why?
I'm going to show you. Even better. The back of your driver's license, right? I guess on the front. Operation of a motor vehicle constitutes consent to any sobriety test required by law. Right there at the bottom.
Okay, that's what you want to do.
So listen to me. You have the right to. No, listen. You have the right to refuse.
Guys,
But
there was
I'm
listen,
telling you what it says on your drive. Listen,
Shut
listen
the
to me.
fuck up. What did
Nikki,
she's
listen.
drunk,
Listen to me.
clearly.
Okay.
What is your deal?
I'm telling you what it says on your driver's license.
Okay.
By signing your driver's license saying you're going to drive in the state of Florida or any of the 50 states in
So
the
that's what
United
you're
States,
doing?
you're saying that you're agreeing to do these field sobriety exercises. You can refuse, however, if you refuse, I have to go based off my observations, and my observations right now lead me to believe that you're
I literally
intoxicated.
drove the speed limit. You have no reason to be upset about
Okay.
anything.
39 and a 55 is the speed limit?
39 and a 55.
Uh-huh.
Do you see the dog that I have with me? Do you see him being?
See? 39 and a 55. See? You driving too slow.
The way that he is. So that's it.
Believe it or not, I work 16-hour shifts with a dog in my car, and I drive.
Yeah, I'm
pretty
sure
great
they're
at it.
trained. So no, I refuse.
Okay, you don't want to do anything?
No.
Okay, go ahead and step out for me.
Assume the position.
Fuck up. What is your problem?
No weapons on you?
Nope.
Okay. Do you have shoes?
Yes, in my car.
Okay.
He's sweet. He's very little big.
Okay.
Is that what you want me to do something in?
Well, I'm going to give you one more opportunity to do these field sobriety exercises. If you want to,
Okay.
and you're safe to drive, we can do that.
So here's the thing. What do you want from me?
That field sobriety exercise. I'm
Can I
asking
take
if
my
you're willing to
earrings
come.
out?
Sure.
I just want to feel comfortable. I have a dog in my car, so if you were worried about what I'm doing in my car, it's because we had a dog in my front
Okay.
seat.
I absolutely nothing. This has nothing to do with the dog.
Right, but you're worried about me drinking. So I'm telling you why I was going.
Worried about you driving after drinking.
No, so I was driving the way I was because I had just picked up a dog.
Okay. And these.
What's your mom's address?
So Nikki, these
So
field
we
sobriety
just picked him up.
exercises are going to show me that you were driving because of the dog. You were driving that way because of the dog and not because of
All
alcohol.
right, let's do it.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Give me just a second. Just wait here. No, we don't do that. I couldn't even do that sober. Okay. He's going to explain it to you.
You followed me all the way from there. You were looking.
I was
like, You followed
driving.
me all the way from when I picked that dog up.
No.
Yes, you did.
No, I was at the gas station. I never saw you there.
Do me a favor, you stand with your hands to your side.
Okay.
I'm going to have you do one more exercise, okay?
Did I just pass everything?
They're not pass or fail. We told you
No. Is that it?
that. No, there's
Got one more.
There's one more, okay?
Is that it legally?
These are all field sobriety exercises. All the things that I explained to you about your driver's license that you agree to for driving. Because I want to make sure that you're safe to drive.
Okay.
Okay, just like the last one, you're going to stand with your
last thing.
you're going to feet together, arms straight down to your sides. Feet together. All right. When I tell you to, you're going to take your fingers with just your pointer finger out. Huh?
What? I don't need to do this. That's it.
Listen to the instructions.
I feel like you're like, what is your deal?
I'm trying to make sure that you're safe to drive and everybody else.
I just did the sobriety. I feel like you're giving me an extra.
I can show you the packet. There's more. After this one, we could do more, and I'm not going to do those.
Yeah, there's like 5 or 6 we can.
There's a lot more.
Okay.
Okay, when I tell you to, you're going to take just your pointer finger and you're going to put your arms straight out like this.
Okay.
You're going to tilt your head back. You're going to close your eyes, and I'm going to say either left or right. When I say left or right, whichever one I say, you're going to take your pointer finger, you're going to touch it to your nose, the tip of your nose, and put it directly down to your side.
Okay.
Okay? Whenever I tell you we're done, whenever I tell you you're done, you
You
can.
know I'm nervous.
I understand. I'm not trying to make you any more nervous than you already are. Okay.
Okay.
So when I tell you that we're
I won't
done,
do
then you can
anything
relax.
just
But
for us.
during the whole time of the exercise, make sure your head is tilted back, your eyes are closed,
What would you like?
and when you touch your pointer finger to the tip of your nose, you put it right back down to your side.
All right.
Okay? Feet together. All right. Put pointer fingers out, arms out, left. Back down to your side, like I told you. Right. Remember, once you touch, put it right back down to your side.
Okay.
Left. Right. Left. Okay, relax. Okay, he's going to explain to you.
Please.
So based on your performances here, I do believe that you are driving under the influence. So you're gonna be placed under arrest. Put your arms behind your back. Put your hands together like you're praying. Other way, like palms together. There you go. And bring them down a little bit.
Just relax your arms. There you go.
There you go.
Honestly, I love this part because the way that the officers kind of explain it, or the way that it's like interpreted, is like if they do well, they will get let go. Field sobriety test, you're cooked. Okay, you got a 0.5% chance of actually like zero. Yeah, you got a 0.5% chance of actually going through the field sobriety test and then not getting arrested. Okay, it is what it is. You have people who do field sobriety tests who are actually completely sober and still end up getting arrested. That's more common than not, honestly. And then it's when they actually blow and stuff like that, it comes out that damn, they ain't got no alcohol in their system or whatever. You know what I mean? They could be under the influence of something else or whatever the case may be. But those, it happens a lot. But these people, she definitely intoxicated. Her friend's drunk. She's drunk. Yeah, it's over. It's not pass or
You have somebody
fail.
that could come get the car
Can you tell me why?
because I don't want to tow your car.
No, I said why is my performance not capable of
We
doing?
believe you're impaired beyond your normal faculties.
Did I not just do
Do
exactly?
not pull away from me.
I didn't do anything against what you guys said. I gave you everything.
Well, based on both of our observations, we believe that you're impaired beyond your normal faculties and is
Why?
unsafe to drive.
Because I didn't blow.
Well, no,
No,
you're,
I'm
so you're
asking
gonna,
you what.
We're gonna go back here.
Go ahead.
Nikki was charged with DUI and refusing to sign her citation. After making her $1,500 cash bond, she pled no contest on the DUI and not guilty on the refusal to sign. She was found guilty on the DUI and the other charge was dismissed. Her sentence was 12 months of probation and a 6 months driver's license suspension.
Damn.
In other news, a book.
Hold on. What's this?
Please conduct a traffic stop.
Oops. All right. Yeah, man. You can look from her mugshot and tell she is bombed. Like her eye, you could see it. She's bombed, man. This is what it is. Now she got a DUI on her record. Oof. Yeah, you may not do some jail time, but them court fees associated with that. Oof. Boy.